What do you think, buddy? Are you gonna?
I've got the bite.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've got the bite. I enjoyed
Yeah.
it. What's next? I think arm wrestling's on the cards.
Hey man, before I even get to the main topic, whoever is in charge, please book Eddie Hall versus Auden Larrett and Brian Shaw versus Neil Pickup. Just ask the guys, don't even think too much about it. These matches are going to be insane, I'm telling you right now. So let's get to the video now. At King of the Table 13, Eddie Hall wasn't able to win against Brian Shaw, but he surely gave us the most entertaining match of the night. The trash talk, the energy, the intensity, the suspense, the controlling of the crowd, controlling of Devon Larratt, controlling of Brian Shaw's mind with the trash talk. He was the VIP of the night for sure, without any shadow of doubt. With much less training than Brian Shaw, he could have almost won the match that people were expecting him to get injured in. That's how good Eddie did. And despite that, after the match, he praised Brian Shaw. He said that he was trying to do good, but Brian is just too strong and he sees Brian as his idol. So what should Eddie Hall do now? What's next for him? I would say that arm wrestling kind of needs Eddie Hall. We are missing that kind of trash talk in today's world. Devon used to do that in 2018, but not anymore, I guess. Eddie was on a different level. And that one round where he handled Brian Shaw in the straps with his Todd Hutchings style top roll with a lot of side pressure, that tells us everything that we need to know about this man's level. It is already pretty good. And he did tell Devon in the post-match interview that he kind of learns faster than Brian. It's no disrespect to Devon, but that's just the truth. And I kind of believe that. So he did say that he will re-evaluate the things after the Marius MMA fight, and maybe he'll come back to arm wrestling, but nothing is for sure yet. So I remember correctly that Eddie did say that he was shocked to know the numbers that top arm wrestlers are getting paid to arm wrestle, and those numbers are higher than strongmen. So there is no reason for him to not come back, because he did say that MMA is a one-off thing for him. He's going to have only one match there. So arm wrestling is waiting for Eddie, and he seems to be already doing good. One thing, the obvious training advice that everyone will be giving Eddie, including Eddie himself, is to learn to slip better. I think it may sound crazy, but Brian and Eddie should have swapped their coaches. Like Devon would have taught Eddie how to slip in less than a day, and then he would have won this match 4-0, who knows. And Neil has already proven that he's probably a better coach than Devon, so he could have taught the basic stuff and gotten Brian Shaw's strap game much better. So I think it would have worked out really well for both of them. So how about Eddie hangs his gloves after his MMA match and gets on the arm wrestling table and immediately call out Auden Larrett for that super match? I think it is going to be amazing. Auden was trash talking Eddie Hall in that interview where he said that he's going to murder Eddie Hall.
Why is that?
I don't think you're ready for
Eddie,
I don't think you're ready.
I would murder you. You don't want any of this.
Let's see if he can actually do that or not. It is going to be really difficult for him in the straps, but let's see if Eddie learns how to get to the straps or not. Then maybe do a super match against Larry Wheels, and next year, who knows, a rematch against Brian Shaw. The possibilities are infinite for this guy, and he's an amazing character. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe.